Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mia and I'm 9 years old. Today I'm going to talk about the weather in Ho Chi Minh City. Let's start. Everybody know that Ho Chi Minh City is important, right? But they say they have two seasons, and even though I was pretty sure I was more concluding, even though it's gonna start to rainy, I'm scared. So let's go to somewhere have trees to protect our head. Let's start. We always know that days have been tough, but sometimes I realize that rain and sunny are impossible. I like the warmth weather. The warmth weather makes me feel like a little bit cool and a little bit hot. When they mix it together, they're gonna be in a equal one. Sometimes it was in a basic one, but recently it is not found. In my research, we have found there's over 100 people choose rain and 100,000 million people choose sunny. Because of what people choose, for example, like next example, why? Sometimes here the street is so much low that the water go up and even more down go to your house. And it was scary to tell that. Even though it was not for sure. But we know that something was more neglecting or how something was more suspicious. I feel happy that when someone was more suspicious. Why? Each of us would know that some of us would know more further. Even though I was pretty sure that there's a 100% it's gonna be rainy, and it's gonna be rainy and burn out all the electronics. So I need to find a place to hide because it's rainy. I think later, maybe later, can we go to McDonald's? Okay, just like for my meal. But you know one thing else? Rain come from clouds, and clouds are making of tiny drops. When tiny drops come down, it become rain, and something was a hail with a candling in the head. Sometimes it was more enough before dropping down. Somehow it was not very strong. It was so much weak that when rain, just a little bit of rain, it just smashed and there's a lot of drop and you have nowhere to live. So that's why you need a strong house and a possible one. Sunny day. Sunny day is not impossible too, right? How many minutes, Mom? Sometimes I get concluding of how something was more suspicious. But what about the reality session of how? Whoa, could be. Look, the view is so much pretty there, right? So much. And the sky just getting closer and closer and closer. It's so much cool. That's why no one ever needs it. More than that, it's just a wind. But later it's gonna take nonsense and nonsense rains. I just want a sunny day, not a rainy day. When rainy day, my clothes are all wet. And sometimes I get sick. Let's make start to sunny day. Sunny day are actually a property that was make all sense. Also told. We have to be careful. And next, sunny day. Sunny day is very hot, and even though there's a lot of different kinds of it, sunny day is like hot, but hot too much you got sweating, and if you get too much hot, you gotta also be getting sick. So that's why there's a technique of how being safety from this hot and so what is your favorite guy's weather? My favorite one is my favorite one is being cool and a little bit like 50% of rain and 50% of hot. Like when they mix together, they gotta be cool. So much cool. There's no drop down. In the recent years, I've never seen this beautiful and top down of all that much. How many minutes, Mom? Look at these scary clouds. It makes me scared. Sometimes I feel scary too. But even though it was not always scary as much, even though it was more visible. But sometimes it always starts as illusion. And I'm not always starting to lose from one end. It's always come and start as a relation. This beautiful relation. Look, it always stops down and it's gonna to be rainy and it's gonna drop. Drop sprinkly down, sprinkly down, sprinkly down, sprinkly down. And over that, I'm just getting scared that I'm getting sick. But don't worry, later I'm going to McDonald's to get some meal. And my dinner is going to be perfect. Later, I gotta review you guys about some meal of mine, of my dinner. At night, sometimes, Ho Chi Minh City have a lot of buildings reflect light that showing up so unstoppable like a bar, and it's so much go. But hey, if you see rain, you have to get going because I think it's gotta be rain. So I have to go. Bye guys.